Good morning, guys. How are we doing? I've been so excited on these videos lately. Great job, guys. We actually just won our 39th for 39th trade on this channel. Let me get this out real quick. It was actually on Bitcoin. Sorry, guys. It was Ethereum. Sorry. Bitcoin most likely will be the 40th out of 40th winning trade, but Ethereum was actually the call. Real quickly, guys, if you got in yesterday with our signals, you got in at 2878.28. I called a 50% exit. This is sitting at about 6% in the profit. Move your stop loss to your break even. Great job. You guys are guaranteed to win that trade. And you literally got picked up at the exact bottom down here with our trade calls. All right. That's exciting. Great job. Good job for all of you guys who won it. I know there's hundreds of you in that trade. So I want to go over Dogecoin. If you guys are brand new to our channel and you're like, what is this guy talking about? Go to tradeconfident.io. Literally, I'm charging $49 a month for this. You guys get access to all of our live trades. I'm going to make this very fast and we're going to go over the analysis today, okay? Go to the live trade section up here and click into any one of these: Dogecoin, Ripple, Cardano, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin. You're going to see this right now, guys. And I'm saying this for Dogecoin as well. Get into some type of position right now in the market. This is not financial advice, but I'm going to prove to you guys with the metrics, this is one of the greatest opportunities to buy. And if you're not buying right now, you will probably be kicking yourself strongly in about, I would say, 2 to 3 weeks, okay? Here's what you're going to see on every single coin. The metrics update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every morning. If the lines do not update some mornings, it's because we haven't hit our first buy limit and we're waiting for structure to create new highs and lows, okay? Here's what you do. Dogecoin, I'm using this for an example because I want to keep it closed for paid subscribers. There's literally right now, guys, there's 4 lines below the current price of Dogecoin. All right. You guys want to come in here at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, or literally right now. You don't have to wait. Don't wait for it. Just do it now. Put your 4 buy limits in. If you have $1,000, $250, $250, $250, $250. Once your first buy limit is hit, set your sell limit, which is basically your exit point, at the first yellow line above your first buy limit. Okay, this is very, very simple. Here's the tutorial video if you guys need any help, and you can always email me if you need help too. All right, let's go over Dogecoin though. For me, in the trades that I've been calling on here, guys, we are currently still in our first buy limit here, and we have 3 more buy limits to hit. If you guys watched the last Dogecoin video, I said, if you guys get into this is going to be a very hard trade to lose. And it is true, guys, because we still have 3 other buy limits way down here. By the way, if we hit our 4th buy limit, the crypto market is probably going to cease to exist. So that's why I say this is extremely hard to lose this trade. And if you guys get in now with that position, you'll be getting in 17% lower than what I called out here. Why do we call out an entry? Because we had a ridiculous fall in the market and we waited for this to move back down, and then we still have 3 more entries. Guys, I have no worries whatsoever that we are going to win this trade for everyone who got in here. But if you're new to this channel, go over here, set up that long trade for Dogecoin, and if we start heading down, you're going to get tagged into that, and you literally can get in right now if you wanted to. Okay? So, sorry, let me see this a different way so I can make this clear. Once you go into the Dogecoin chart, it's going to look something like this with the 4 yellow lines. If you guys don't want to wait and you don't think Dogecoin is going to go down any further, you can go ahead and market order in right now at the current price if you want and follow our metrics here. It's going to be right around 21 cents. Great and amazing discount. Here's what you need to do. Okay, follow me really closely here. If you have $1,000, you can go ahead and market order in right now. Okay, 25%. Skip your first buy limit since you're going to forego the first buy limit and simply just place your first buy limit at the second line, your second buy limit at the third, your third buy limit at the 4th line. That's all you guys have to do. Literally, that's all you're doing, and you're managing the trade. And once you're in profit, feel free to take profit whenever you guys want for any amount. I will also show you guys how we're calling exits for profit on this video. So let's get over this and let's dive in real quick. Okay, the trend exhaustion indicator. I'm about to show you guys something ridiculous that this indicator has done, and it's called so many moves in the market. Get this indicator because it literally is going up in price in 9 days. You have 9 days left. I'm making full disclosure on this video. Get it today. It's in the description as well as over at the indicators page. Here's the trend exhaustion, the trend dashboard, price for swell money flow. The bundle pack is not going to be going up in price. Okay, say that again. The bundle pack is not going to be going up in price, but these will. So this is always going to appreciate in value. So I highly recommend you guys get the bundle package today. You get all of our indicators, even some Forex indicators actually, that are really good, that have never been coded on TradingView before, ever. And you guys get the Forex ones in this bundle if you guys like Forex as well. Okay. Watch this. The trend exhaustion, when we push up into the top sections, I'm going to just circle some up here. I'm not going to, cherry pick anything. I'm just going to circle the ones that we hit in the top red section here that have actually cleared in the top. Okay, we're going to pull this one and this one. And then we're going to look at some of the bottom moves. Like, watch this, guys. You need to be understanding how this metric actually works and how this indicator is calling the tops and bottoms so you can stay safe in the market. I'm going to circle all these, okay? I'm just going to circle these. I'm going to do this one more down here. We've got this one that just hit there, and we've got this one here. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. This is actually one right here. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one right here, sorry, 6. And we can call this 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And actually this one hit just a little bit right here. So this is 21. Okay, follow me. I'm going to make this fast and we'll go over the metrics, okay? If you look at this and you follow my crosshairs up here, this did call the top here before we saw the move back down. This down here, when we came into the bottom red section, where was that? It was literally at the bottom. The price could not head down any further, and this is where we saw a ridiculous parabolic move on Dogecoin, okay? Right when we got up to that parabolic move, what happened up here to the top section? This called this point up here before we ended up seeing a drop. Well, what happened when we got the drop? Well, it also called it down here at the bottom prices before we started moving back up in the market. Then what happened? We got to the red zone up here, calling the top before we started heading down again. And then you see up here, we see these little moves. This guy right here, look at that red candle down after that as it falls all the way back down. Then we look up here to the top section where it literally is calling the high up here. If you guys follow my crosshairs right down, see where it's in the top red section? If you guys are following that straight down, literally at the top wick candles up here, calling that move back down. I know I can do a lot of these, but I'll do a few more here and then I'll just point this out. Calling the top here before I move back down. Guys, why do you use indicators on your charts? It's to call the tops and the bottoms so you guys can exit and you can buy in at great times. I'm telling you guys, this is the most accurate indicator I have found on TradingView. I coded this one in here. I coded indicators for TradingView for a living 2 years ago. And I can tell you guys, out of all the indicators, like look, call the bottom, perfectly called the top. Came back down to the bottom. We ended up seeing the consolidation zone right here. Straight move right back up on top of that. This one called the drop in the market. This one as well. Yes, we were able to call the top here before we ended up getting into the drop. The drop came out, it called the bottom, saw push back up. We saw this over here, called the bottom there, saw the move back up. This one is followed over right here, called the top right here. We ended up seeing the move back down. The only signal that I can find that you can say was a false signal, if you will, is this one right here where it showed that we pushed down to the bottom section and we just headed down a little bit further. So let's be clear about this, guys. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 19 out of 20 of them have been calling this correctly. That is why you just need this on your side to be able to call these moves. Now, let me erase this real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Yes, correct. I'm going to erase this because I want to go over the metrics, but I just want to come out and show that to you guys, just some like ridiculous proof that this indicator is insane when it comes to calling the tops and bottoms. As well as that, I want you guys to pay quick attention to the price versus the well money flow. This is showing us larger transactions on the blockchain for the currency you're viewing. This, for example, is going to be Binance for Doge. Take the price structure off for a second. When this also pushes up into the top section here, this is when we are looking for drops as well. So when you see the trend exhaustion as well as the price versus the well money flow up here, this is a double confirmation sign that, hey, heads up, this is probably looking to see a move back down. And we can see this happening here on both of the indicators, calling these top moves before a move down. I know a lot of you guys ended up FOMOing into this move because there's a lot of green candles in here. I've gotten emails and I'm like, guys, this would have protected you from losing thousands, if not tens of thousands, by calling the drop in here before it happened, okay? And then use it the other way. When you start seeing money flow get to the very bottom here, as well as the trend exhaustion, guys, this price is going to head up. Like, it is so deadly accurate. I just like love them so much on the chart. So get your guys' buy limit set up for Dogecoin. Get these indicators on your chart before I raise the price at the end of the month. You have 9 days. And I'm sorry if that was a long intro, but let's go over the metrics now. I'm going to prove this to you guys even more that this is such an incredible buying opportunity for Dogecoin. These metrics will update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time this morning. Let me calm down a little bit. I'm sorry. I'm just overly excited. We have so many people over here I'm sorry, I'm like a little ADD this morning, but if you guys click over here on profits, we have so many people doing incredibly well with our metrics and our indicators. Like, I'm so happy that, guys, I keep this at $49 a month so I can help the people that are retail traders. I'm not charging hundreds of dollars, which is absolutely worth it. I'm keeping this low so you guys, and like literally people who come to me and they're like, hey Travis, I have $1,000, $500, and I just made my first $100. Like, those are the ones that make me so excited because I'm helping you guys, like the smaller retail traders. That just makes me feel fulfilled at the end of the day. Okay, watch these metrics here. We are pushing down to the anxious section for Dogecoin, guys. Last time we ended up hitting the anxious section down here, we saw a pump in price. The time before that, we saw a pump in the price. The time before that, we saw a pump in the price. Okay, the time before that down here, we saw a major pump in the price for Dogecoin. I don't believe Dogecoin's going away, guys. It's the number 10 coin on market cap. Okay, coinmarketcap.com. Watch this. As retail traders are anxious in the market, follow me straight down here to the well and institutional smart money. If it's not clear what you should be doing right now, it is buying. Guys, this is not financial advice. I need to make that clear. But guys, get into the long trade and ride this thing back up. This is crazy discounts. I know some people got in up here and they thought it was going to go up. Guys, please follow the metrics and the indicators. This is going to save you guys so much. There's a reason why we are 39 for 39 winning trades on this channel. We're using these metrics and we're using the entries and we're doing really good dollar cost average methods, okay? Watch this. This is a precursor for the sign to move up. Price structure moving down while long trades are increasing in the market because all of the smart money wells and institutions are actually taking advantage of the drop while all the retail traders are selling. Guys, this is going to pump the price back up. When you see a bunch of people selling, guys, get into these trades and move up. That's exactly what everyone did yesterday on Ethereum. They got in literally at the bottom down here and then they're riding it up and they won a trade this morning. Literally yesterday to this morning, you just won 6%. On Ethereum. Move your buy limit to the entry. That's how fast we're turning over trades on this channel. Subscribe, turn the bell notification on, guys. I'm serious. Make sure you guys are signed up over here and you have this. Look at this. Long versus short trades on Dogecoin. This has pushed down to a great long trade section. This is the price structure in white. The metric value is in blue. Guys, Dogecoin is so low. If this thing just gets to previous structure high, this is going to be an incredible win for you guys holding your coins. Yes, the whole market's going down. Wait for Elon Musk maybe someday to announce that, he's going to accept, Dogecoin for payment for Tesla, something like that. Here's what I want to say, guys. As Dogecoin moves down, you are going to get demand taking over. And simply because it's so low, that's going to jack up the price because of the demand of wanting to get it so low. Millionaires have been made off Dogecoin, guys. And people are getting back to the place now where those millionaires were actually made. Okay, so this is a time where you're getting a second grace or a second chance, if you will, to get back into the original pump. Do I think it can head to all-time highs again? Yes, I actually do believe Dogecoin can get to all-time highs and surpass that. We have many years in the future. The global adoption of current cryptocurrency has not even gotten close yet. We have so much more money to pump into this market. Smart money is going long, guys. Please get your long trade set up. As far as support and resistance prices, guys, obviously we're heading down. The next pit stop as far as a move up is going to be right around here at the psychological level of 25 cents. So let me just make that really clear here. 25 cents and 23 cents puts us at the structure highs right here, okay? Previous structure lows, current structure highs. I do believe we could push up right around this area to about 23 cents. Everybody in this trade, just hold this trade. You guys are going to do fine. Honest to God, you guys are going to do fine. Just hold this trade, get your other 3 buy limits set up that you currently had when you had your first buy limit hit. Hold that position and you're going to do great. Okay. This came out with a dollar cost average entry to say, hey, look for this entry. These are people who are not holding for 3 to 4 days. They're holding for 5 to 10 years. If you guys want to do long-term HODL holds, okay? So that's what this metric here is for. If you guys are holding this, I'm expecting to see this have a move back up. Demand is going to take over. I want to say this kindly. I don't care about the Evergrande thing. I'm sorry, that was foolish of me to say. I do care about it. It's dropping the markets. What I'm trying to say here is that we are not worried about it whatsoever because we have such good risk management in here that we are not worried about that. China's biggest real estate, pretty much the biggest real estate broker in all of China borrowed $300 billion and they're not able to make their interest payments. And it's making a frenzy in the whole financial market. Guys, we just won a trade this morning. The market's going down. Everybody just won their 39th for 39th winning trade on Ethereum. I do think the market's going to bounce back here in the next 1 to 2 weeks, and we're going to probably be taking our 40th, 41st, and 42nd winning trade on this channel. Follow this, and I'll keep you guys, I want to say safe. Yeah, actually, it is true. I'll keep you guys safe with the dollar cost averaging that we do in here, as well as the metrics that we can watch. This is calling the exit points for Dogecoin. So push up in the top section. This is calling the moves back down. So this is where I'm going to be looking. Once we get into the profit for the Dogecoin trade, I'll be looking at that metric to call exits. So guys, the biggest thing I want to share with you guys today for this is get into that long trade. I'm going to wrap this up with this, and I'm going to end this video. come over here. It's $49 a month. Make sure you guys are definitely getting the trend exhaustion, and at least, guys, if you don't want the bundle, that's fine with me. That's okay. I'm not trying to like turn this into a sales video. At least get the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow, so you guys can follow me on the charts, and maybe the trend dashboard, so you guys can copy identically what I show on my videos. Getting all those is basically the bundle price. So I would just go ahead and come down here and get this, because I am going to be raising the prices of these in 9 days. So get that on your charts, because the next time you guys are in a trade, like let's say you guys get into the long trade and you guys actually get triggered into the first buy limit. The next exit, guys, I'm going to be calling is when we're in the top section of the trend exhaustion for a minimum of 25 to 50% exit for your trade. So you need to be watching that. If I'm not on videos, that is official call right now. If we get up here and you guys are entering in right now, looking for 25 to 50% exit on your trade, okay? Make sure you guys get those in the description. God bless you guys so much. Thank you so much for just being some of like the kindest people ever. I see you guys in the comments. I see all the testimonials you guys are putting out there. I will be adding more to the website. So if you guys, I know you guys sent some in, and I told you I'm going to get it on the website. I will be updating this week, and I'll be doing a video on Thursday and Friday of going over all the new ones. I actually have 5 more testimonials to add already, and I just haven't got around to it, so I'll make sure I do that for you guys. And those are just from this week alone. So get the indicators, get your membership, guys. Follow the channel. Last thing, once you guys have your membership and you're in trades, I'm going to cover this on the channel. So you guys can actually like follow me on these trades if you want, and you're going to get like daily updates of how I manage these. And so you guys can join us on this winning streak. So God bless you guys. Have a good one. Everything you need is in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.